What kind of life experience do you want to explore in this ever-changing world? Everyone explores life in many different ways, every single day. We explore a better life experience. The advanced direct motion technology provides a strong heart, allowing us to enjoy a peaceful life. Care clothes through micro steam in an all-around way to keep our wear sparkling clean. Haier helps us move forward into the next stage of our life in a faster response speed, so we can spend more time with our family. We also explore Smarter Life. By starting Smart Life, caters to our needs for full clothing life cycle experience of washing, care, wearing, matching, and purchasing.